Hello friends, welcome to Academic Heights. Learn from home. Why Academic Heights? For clarity, for concepts, for core, for competency. Overall, your turning point starts here. I am ready to teach you. Are you ready to learn? We are discussing all important questions and concepts of 2 mark questions in polynomial. Chapter 2, Class 10 CBSE. Here we go to the question number 24. If 1 0 of a quadratic polynomial x square plus k of x square plus 6x plus 68x plus 6k is reciprocal of other, find k. If I read once again, if one of the 0 of a quadratic polynomial k square plus x of x square plus 68x plus 6k is reciprocal of other, find the value of k. So he has given two zeros to us, both are reciprocal to each other. So let the roots or zeros be. I am taking it as alpha and 1 by alpha. He has clearly given that 0 of the quadratic polynomial is reciprocal of other. So these will be the roots for the given quadratic polynomial. Now this given quadratic polynomial I am comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. So here I will get the coefficients. So x square coefficient is this much, k square plus k, and 68, this is b value, this is constant value. I got a, b, c values. So a is equal to k square plus k, b is equal to 68, and c is equal to 6k. So I got the coefficients. Now I will work upon roots. Already have learned sum of the roots and product of the roots. So I am considering product of the roots. So product of the roots is equal to product of the zeros is equal to, already you learned this one, alpha beta is equal to c by a. Already this is the formula you have learned in the courses. So I am using here alpha into the other root, it is 1 by alpha. Alpha into 1 by alpha is equal to c by a. What is the value of c? Here it is c value and a value. I have two values here. C value as 6k and a value as k square plus k. So alpha and this alpha will get cancels, numerator denominator. So 1 is equal to 6k by k square plus k. If this expression, if I take to that side, it multiplies. So k square plus k is equal to 6k. I got this as expression. So product of the roots is equal to c by a. So here, what is the value of this one? K square plus k. The value of k square plus k is nothing but a. What is 6k? It is nothing but c. So a value, c value is equal. So in the note also I have given the same thing here. If the zeros of a quadratic polynomial p of x are reciprocal of each other, then coefficient of x square is equal to constant. So this is coefficient of x square and is equal to constant. So I got the same by procedure also. I have given the note. In the procedure also I got the same thing. I have to simplify this one. So k square plus k is equal to 6k. So 6k if you take inside, k square plus k minus 6k is equal to 0. K square minus 5k is equal to 0. I can take k common here. If I take k common here, k minus 5 is equal to 0. So k into k minus 5 is equal to 0 means k is equal to 0 or k minus 5 is equal to 0. K is equal to negative 5 if it move that side positive 5. K is equal to 5. Here I got the values for k is 2. K is equal to 0 I got it, and k is equal to 5 I got it. But question yourself, what is a quadratic polynomial? In a quadratic polynomial, x square coefficient cannot be is equal to 0. So, but I got k value as 0 here. K value as 0. If you substitute k value 0 here, so x square coefficient is vanished here. X square coefficient is vanished here. So, it cannot be a quadratic polynomial. So, in these two values, we are discussing discarding k equal to 0 value. Why? Because of, if you take k is equal to 0, it is a linear equation you are getting. It's a linear equation you are getting. So that it is not a quadratic polynomial. We are getting a linear equation. So that we are discarding k value as 0. We are taking only simply k is equal to 5. So that's all about this sum. What we have done. So the roots are, we have taken alpha and 1 by alpha, and we have compared with ax square plus bx plus c. We got a, b, c values. According to the procedure, alpha and 1 by alpha is equal to c by a. So 1 is equal to c by a. C is equal to a we got. C is equal to a. What is c and what is a? X square coefficient and constant both are equal. So in the note also I got the same thing. I have given the same thing. We have done in this way.